Hello guys, welcome back to app tutorial, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to sign up on Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to sign up on Discord, just simply install this Discord application and open it. And after opening Discord, you will get the button of register. Tap into register and you just simply have to choose between either phone number or email address. Simply select suitable option for you. I'm selecting email, and after that you just simply have to enter your email address into this tab. Now click to next button after doing this, and now you just simply have to enter your display name. After entering that, you just simply have to tap to next button. Discord will automatically create available username for you, so you can leave it as it is or you can customize it. I'm leaving it for now. Now you can set up a password for your Discord, which should be more than 8 characters. And after setting up the password, simply tap to next button. Now you just simply have to set up your date of birth into this tab. Simply choose your date of birth, and after that tap to confirm and tap to create an account. After doing this much, you just simply have to verify that you are a human. And after doing this, your account will successfully be created. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.